Girls, in this video we will study how to create a Java package. Okay, we will study packages actually, and under this chapter we will do how to create user defined packages. Okay, so package, what is a package? Package is a group of similar type of classes, interfaces and subclasses. Okay, classes, interfaces and subclasses. This is the definition of package. Package is a group of similar type of classes, related classes, okay, correlated classes, interfaces and subclasses. Then there are two type of packages, built-in packages and user defined packages. Built-in packages, Java has so many built-in packages. With the help of built-in packages, you can implement the classes, interfaces, whatever the classes and interfaces and subclasses, those who are present within a particular package. In order to use that particular class, you need to import the related package in which that class exists. Okay, so we in Java language, we have some built-in packages like java.lang, then java.io. Input output related classes are within this package. Utility package, java.util, applet. Okay, this package is used for applet programming. AWT. Okay, then java.net, java.sql. Okay, and this one is contains classes for accessing data from DBMS, database management system source. You have used so many built-in packages like java.lang. You don't need to import this package, okay, and java.io. We have used these packages in so many programs. Utility package, for a scanner you need to import, okay. So these are the few built-in packages in Java. Now if you have to include a package, if you have to import a package, what will be the syntax for including a package in your program? Import is the keyword to include a particular package in your Java program. So you will be writing import keyword first, followed by space, then Java keyword dot name of the package dot class name, followed by semicolon, terminator. Okay, so if you have to import a package, you will be writing like this. This is the example, this is the general syntax, and this one is the example. Import java.util.scanner. In order to import utility package, okay, so import java.util.scanner if you have to use scanner class, okay. But suppose you need any other class of utility package also in your program, then you can write java.util.asterisk. Asterisk stands for all the classes will be there, will be available, okay, if you are writing java.util.asterisk, okay. So this is the use of asterisk instead of any particular class name. Similarly in other packages also, if you have to import a particular class, only a particular class, then you will be giving the name of that particular class. Otherwise you can write java.packagename.asterisk for all the files, okay. Package that is imported to every program by default is java.lang, automatically import hota hai, okay. You don't need to import this package in your program, okay. Then asterisk used along with package name allows all the classes of the package exposed for the use in your program. In case a specific class of a package is only to be used, then the class name must be written in place of asterisk, as I told you, okay.